Hey, Year 7. Right, what we're going to look at today is we're going to look at how the weight of an object affects the extension of a spring. And this is very, very similar to the experiment we did a couple of weeks ago where we looked at force against how much a spring stretches, because weight is a force. But the point of this is we're really going to model what a force meter is. So what I need you to do is to get yourself a clamp and stand, and we're going to hang spring off and set a ruler up so that the very bottom of the actual stretchy bit of the spring is on 0 meters or centimeters. Then you're going to hang 1 Newton at a time off the spring and measure how much it stretches down. So each little slotted mass is 1 Newton of weight. So your results table is going to look a little bit like this. Weight in newtons versus extension in centimeters. And you're going 1 Newton, 2 Newton, 3 Newtons, 4 Newtons, and so on. And if we can get up to around about 7, that would be brilliant, but try and go to 10 if possible. Remember, we will try and need to G-clamp that on. Right, once you've got your data, you're going to complete a graph. And we always put our independent variable on the bottom, and that was force. So let's just say I've got these numbers here. Against extension, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I need to see now is I want to see really careful, equal steps for the force. So 1 square, or 5 little squares, could be 1 Newton, 2 Newtons, 3 Newtons, 4 Newtons, and so on. And we label it. Actually, we'll call it weight in newtons. And then our extension up the sides. Now that might be 0, 3, 6. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up in equal steps up to 15. And then, just for the moment, forget their numbers. So let's go up to 15 in equal steps. We could go up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And what we should be seeing is these gaps here are always the same for every 2 we go up. And then start plotting the points and align a best fit. Now this is the really interesting bit. What I want you to be able to do is I'm going to give you a mystery object, and I want you to interpolate. That means essentially make a prediction from your graph. You're going to hang that weight onto your spring. It's going to come to a certain number, and you're going to use your graph to work out how much in newtons that was. Okay, good luck.